Hey, what's up, and welcome to another episode on Yusuf Onobeku's YouTube channel. Today we'll be talking about international exams. Yes, you heard that right. One of the exams that is needed if you have to apply for visa to some foreign schools as well. It's relocation or trying to study in another country is as old as man itself. So you don't need to feel intimidated or feel so much pressure when you are trying to write an exam. And what exam are we talking about? We are talking about IELTS, which means International English Language Testing System. Majorly, this is organized by the British Council in over 140 countries, as you can see, 140 countries, and we all know how expensive this exam is. As according to currently is around 83,000 naira. Now you will not want to put down 80,000 naira plus and not pass an exam. So they said, what happens when you fail? You can fail, which is you can only not get up to the band score, which is the required score. So, and you can write it as many times as possible. Fortunately, the exam can be retaken as many times as you need to obtain a passing score. Now imagine keep writing IELTS for 3,000 naira. It's not something you want to even dream about. So I will encourage that. Now there are so many IELTS centers in Lagos or around the country in Nigeria. But the interesting thing about what I'll be sharing with you today is, regardless of wherever you are watching this video for, either within Nigeria or outside Nigeria, you can easily key into these resources and get them, study them, consume them, digest them, and before you decide to go and make another payment for your next IELTS exam. Now, why am I saying this? Being having my background in accounting has taught me something. One of the most devastating things when it comes to writing exams is, aside just being angry about you missing out or failing, is the fact that the only thing that keeps ringing in your head is 3,000 naira. It's 3,000 naira. So as not to let you waste that much money. Here are the two resources that I'll be talking about. This is how to pass your IELTS exam studying in your bedroom and passing with at least 7.0 out of 9.0. Now this course contains 10 videos and a special IELTS pack compiled by this creator. And aside that, what's the essence of having a good result and not being able to have some returns in form of job that you can use to benefit from it? As you can see, it's also going to be providing that for you. Now look at some of the people that have benefited from his course and they've really enjoyed what he has to say, which is, this is somebody, and I will say this is the best video that actually breaks down the process of preparing easily. Now this one said he already got 5.5, which is not up to the required, which is low, and he said now he's going to prepare me one more time. So you definitely don't want to be like this guy that has written it before and have to retake it because he didn't get up to the score. Now you don't want to waste money. That's the purpose of why I'm recording this video and telling you that use the recommended 2 options in the description below to get access to this course. Now if you feel like, okay, you really don't know what to, I can tell you, though the disparity between the 2 resources I'm sharing is just a token, but you are in the best position to know, okay, which one make it easy for me, because sometimes some of these things boils down to your decision. Now if you are going to use the physical classes, now think about you register for their session, you move from your house to the location based on the insecurity issue in the country, which is even high risk now. But this is a course that you can easily buy now, download on your system, and you can start consuming. This course contains 10-part course. Now the second one contains contains how many courses? Now this is the number of stuff that is inside the course. That is over the, you are getting the program, you are getting series of now you are getting series of supports in addition to it as well, which is unlimited. Now this one sells for 80,000 naira, the other one sells for 15,000 naira, and these are the reviews of those that have consumed this course. Now look at how this person look like. Now, as you can see, when it was done. So now look at this, take your decision and decide to, like, okay, what exactly do I want to do today? I don't want to waste another money. I don't want to go and pay another 80,000 naira, 83,000 naira, excuse me. Please and please, I would love for you to just check it out and take the best decision for your money. Thank you very much, and see you in my next video.